morning, second. Welcome to your watch. Everything is running smoothly except a mirror vibration noticed in auxiliary engine 2. It is still within acceptable limits, but I just suggest monitoring it closely.
Good evening, third. Thanks for the update. Any alarms or abnormal read?
No critical alarms, however, did observe a slight increase in temperature in the main engine cooling system. Nothing alarming, but something to monitor.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I also check all lubrication points and did my routine and rounds. No leaks detected and the bilge level is normal.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening.
Understand they also take log readings and observe any unusual change. Anything else we should check before taking over, sir?
Take care of that. That should be all. But keep your eye on auxiliary engine just in case the vibration is worsened.
Did you hear that? Let's check auxiliary engine number 2. Now!
Second, the vibration seems to have increased significantly. I think there might a loose mounting misalignment issue.
The temperature on these units has also rise beyond normal operating level.
Alright, let's stop the engine before further damage occurs. Oiler, switch to the standby auxiliary engine while isolate this one.
Good call, second. I assist in the troubleshooting before I officially hand over.
Chief, this is second. We've encountered abnormal vibration and high temperature on auxiliary engine number 2. We've shut it down and switched to standby, requesting further instructions.
Understood, second. Conduct a thorough inspection and checks for any loose fittings, misalignment or sign of bearing wear. Keep me updated.
Chief, I heard there's an issue with one of the auxiliary engines. What's the status?
Yes, Captain. Auxiliary engine number 2 was showing abnormal vibration and high temperature. The second engineer and his team have shut down and switched to the Stadnit unit. They are currently investigating.
Understood, Chief. Keep me informed of any developments. Ensure this doesn't affect the vessel's power supply and safety operations.
Copy that, Captain. We'll provide updates as soon as we have a full assessment.
Second, since you have taken control of the issue, I usually hand over the watch to you. Everything else is logged. Call me if you need additional hands.
Thanks, third. I've taken over the watch as of 200,000 hours.